What's poppin' YouTube? It's me Paige and I'm back here with another video. Today's video is a track meet vlog. I'm running the 400 and I'm doing the long jump. Anyway, I'm gonna catch y'all when I reach at the track. It's the famous Sean. There you go, turn this way. Say hi. You know I still never get the autograph, right?
Yeah, no plan then.
What you doing today, Vontae?
I ran in the 4 and the 1.
The 4 and the 1? The 4?
Yes.
Oh shit.
I pray I do good.
You actually gonna run this wall?
I don't want to, but you know how Coach Fair should go.
Oh yeah, you put me in the 4 too. And I don't long jump.
And the 20?
Yeah?
Let me fix my hair.
I'm recording, just letting you know.
Y'all, I can't even see me to see my... Anyways, my hair looks stink. But look at Paige. Y'all, let's follow Paige. So Paige, what are your goals for today?
My goals is to do my best.
So you don't have no time set?
You should have that's too funny.
So, today, I just want PR.
PR?
I know I could PR in the 400 because if I tell you all what my PR is in the 4, you'll laugh.
Girl, that's mine too.
Okay.
Today you can run the 4 today.
How you run one?
It's so cold, boy.
I could try aim for a 57. I could try.
That's a good time.
But I'm saying, you know.
But you got a PR
run that
today.
You know that.
You know that? What you got to run?
You know
11?
that. I have to.
11-7. Gotta run. No, you gotta run that.
Okay, here comes G-Sean, y'all. Hi.
Why are we walking up the hill?
I don't know. Anyways, y'all, look at all.
They can't see.
Shoots. She can bleep that out.
I'm not kidding.
Who's kidding?
You're not kidding.
How you zoom?
Go like this.
How?
And zoom out.
Good. And then take your bag.
They searching bags.
For what?
They didn't search bags last time.
Oh, it looks like they're searching bag. That's just a line.
My pants so big, boy.
Y'all see piano on the mat? Don't say hi then. Sour.
I saw they was on my vlog last time because I know they were singing on top. I think on the YouTube, man.
Real?
I did this last night, eh?
Yesterday. I need to put my mask on. Let's vlog. Stay with me all day.
Okay.
Y'all, I look so weird. This camera all up on side of my face. So, y'all, it is like
you can come out there too and you can come out on the thing.
Okay. So y'all, listen me doing.
Please, Auntie, if you can tell you this, right? I can tell you when you sit down. Auntie, they can't see nothing.
They could see you.
They're dark.
How is it supposed to lighten it up?
You know, like how you supposed to take pictures. You see, like when you're taking a picture, right?
And I forget.
Y'all be doing relay. It's me, her, with Destiny, and the next
Layla coming out. She gonna get my phone. Cause y'all know I'm careless. Yeah. You know, that's why I'm based.
Of course you got her on there. We doing 4 by 1. Why? What you doing today?
That's too much time.
I supposed to do 1 triple and nah, 4 by 1. Okay, well good. I have 3 things too.
Y'all, so listen. This relay, right? Has set.
I go.
So this relay has set, right? I can't run no foot. Destiny can run first. Who ran a second?
Layla.
I
might just saying this like
what? We saying it like we done practice handoffs and everything.
no, not even that. We saying it like coaching mode to go put up in one line of right now.
I come up the speaker so much time. I had to cut out all that because you couldn't hear. I come up the
watch
speaker.
my piece when I was getting stretched. That's the only thing I watch on that.
This could be
So you don't watch the full video?
I was barely in that video.
You was in the video?
I was barely in it.
You was in the video.
I was in it, but And she had to cut something.
Just record it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Recording. Well, now you talking what you was in my last vlog. In my vlog.
Oh, I in the vlog this time, yo. I made it. Oh, my bad.
Cut it out.
I put this in this vlog.
Stick.
Yeah.
Yo, we're gonna play this vlog. My name is Wanya McCoy. Say hi to the vlog, bro.
Just focus me on one.
So Wanda, you wrong. Listen, y'all. So he wrong. Me talking about he was in the last vlog, and that's all he had to say.
Bro, you know what? I was in the vlog. I was in the video walking away, bro.
Okay.
I was walking away in the video. I mean, I didn't know you was vlogging session, but like I was coming from a race.
Hey guys, so we're at the traffic. They're running the 100. That guys, you hear it?
I was like, get the call from back.
I catch it when he stopped.
Me canceled because race pressure. Oh, we suspended or whatever.
It's funny.
No, I don't think he's playing. But yeah, I'll catch you on the flip side. What type of phone you doing at home? What type of phone you doing at home? Sure, Bubble.
You have an iPhone. Yeah, I know what that is. I know it ain't no double digit one.
We just finished running 4x1.
Finals of the 4x1 100-meter relay. Fast forward, red line. DTSB Wolfpack and Red Line Athletics at exchange number 1. It will go to DTSB Wolfpack and Red Line Athletics on the inside. Fast forward on the backstretch. Look at DTSB Wolfpack rolling away from the field. At exchange number 2, it is all. Fast forward, DTSB Wolfpack, Red Line Athletics. You're watching the under-20 girls finals of the 4x1 100-meter relay, and they're all neck and neck at the final exchange. Fast forward, Red Line, DTSB Wolfpack and Red Line Athletics 2. Fast forward, running away from it, being chased by Red Line Athletics, and it win will go to. Fast forward, taking the win.
I just ran that 4x1. But when I tell you warm, I warm. What we running for? You want to be my YouTube? I was already on it there. Say hey, say, oh yeah, you was.
Final call.
This girl, he didn't call pasta.
On the 13. Final call. Boys and girls 400 meter dash on the 13.
Hey, that's so cold. Eight. Oh yeah, I forget to tell y'all, I do long jump too today. And I think I come first.
Yeah, because you almost qualified.
Yeah.
There's an adjustment. Red Line Athletics on the track. Getting ready for the under-17 girls relay. Please move to lane number 1.
Oh, look at the vlog. Now we're on the vlog. I feel great. I'm really tired.
Okay, you know I'm walking all the way over here, right? So you gotta stop and
Yeah, we stop. I know I forget pages do vlogs, but what up?
Hey, let's turn.
Follow me on TikTok, Caden Jones 02.
Y'all Caden famous?
Not really, but follow me on Instagram too. This camera quality is great.
Thank you.
Follow me on Instagram as well, Caden Christian, KAD and KRIS. Look at my little looking chop, but anyway. Bye, peeps.
I don't even have you on Instagram, but bye.
Add me.
I forget to tell you, it's the end of the meet. And I ran the 400. I hope someone recorded. I ain't talking to myself, I'm talking to the camera.
I haven't seen camera in a long time.
I know, right?
So y'all got, yeah, that's a vlog. Y'all wanna say hi?
Hey.
Vlog. That's it?
Yeah, that's it. What else you want to say, bitch? What else
You guys show them in person.
Any page just jogging the first 200 meters.
Coach, you can't tell what the college people watching this.
Oh, okay. That's us.
But she ran past everybody afterwards.
Okay. Anything else y'all want to say?
We're a 102.
Good night.